Hey guys, my name is Omar Sahor and we are here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And if you don't know where that is, that's in America. But what I'll be doing today, I'll be teaching you guys how to cook stuff that you may never have cooked before, or that you actually do want to cook or just don't know how to cook. Currently, it's the month of Ramadan, so every month I'll actually be doing charity and just be giving out food. So you guys join me on the journey. Hey guys, welcome to Omeezy's Kitchen. So today what I'll be cooking for you guys is turkey pasta bake. Yes, you heard it, turkey pasta bake. Guys, so right now I'm going to teach you what ingredients are actually going to go in this turkey. So what I use is black pepper, organic black pepper, and I use paprika, cayenne red pepper, Italian seasoning for the herby flavor, and your special seasoning, Maggi. Now, if you know about this, you know this is the GOAT. So now, guys, what we'll be doing is actually mixing the turkey ground and letting it sink for a bit, and then I'll go on to make the pasta sauce for the mac. You can stop it.
Guys, so currently I'm adding that special seasoning, and what that is that's just the Maggi. It's just salt, but it's flavored salt. Most people haven't had it, but if you're African or Caribbean, most likely you've had it because we pretty much put it in all our dishes. So what I'm putting next here is that paprika, and that will give it a little bit of a smoky taste, you know. And you got some cayenne pepper, you know, a little bit of chili hotness. Some pepper, just for the taste of it. And your Italian seasoning. What this will be for your herby flavor, and to balance everything out. Some people like to put sugar in it, but I'm not going to do it this time just because it's turkey meat. Guys, so next we'll put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and that's just for the taste of it, you know. And get down and dirty. Mix it well, make sure all the flavors are inside. You know, you don't want to be eating no dough food, because who likes dough food?
So guys, now what we're gonna do is cut the vegetables down and have them sauteed. After that, what we'll do is actually fry the turkey meat, and then we'll make the sauce and then put everything in the oven. So you got some cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, and a little bit of garlic, and that's basically all you need. You know, me a chef, man. Me, I gotta use the correct techniques, and this is how you hold a knife, by the way. This. Not like that, not like this, but like that.
So you guys haven't been eating the hazelnut croissants? I don't think I'm gonna buy them again. It's wasted, I don't think.
So yeah, guys, basically the way to hold a knife right, if you don't know yet, is basically like that. Don't ever hold the knife like this or like that. Make sure you have your two fingers on it so you can actually control it.
Guys, so now it's time to put these vegetables in the frying pan and let them saute. Saute. You feel me? Add a little bit more olive oil to it, guys. And then what you're actually going to use to season this right here will just be salt and pepper. So we got the pepper over here. And then what I'm going to use is actually not white salt, but I'm going to use seasoned salt just because it's more flavor. What happens if you use white salt? Doesn't happen if you use white salt. It's just if you use seasoned salt, it just flavors it more. And that's what I like, because I like my seasoned flavor. You can buy it at Walmart, you can buy it anywhere really. This is seasoned salt, by the way. So now all you do, make sure your fire is not very high too, it's a low temperature. So, get your salt out. Maybe you'll leave it on low maybe for like 5 minutes or low. After that, like I said, you can see it when it's ready. It'll have more of a brown color. The cherry tomatoes will get more tender. As you can see right now, they're pretty, hard, still compact. And I'm just going to leave this on low.
So guys, as you can see, I have my sauteed mushrooms, sauteed cherry tomatoes, and there's actually some garlic in there, and all of this is, you know, just marinated in some olive oil that I put in. What I'll do now is actually add the turkey to it.
Arby's. We have the meat. Do you want Arby's?
Excuse me?
Arby's.
Arby's. I'm not gonna say that on tape.
Why not?
Cause it's boo-boo.
Really?
Yes.
I only like their fries. They're curly fries.
Arby's is boo-boo. Guys, so what's happening now? I have actually added the turkey meat to this. There is all the sauteed vegetables in it. Now we just want this to cook up a little bit. And basically what we're gonna do now is make the cheese sauce.
What?
So basically I'm asking my little niece to help me, but
Hey, I'm looking at your ingredients, okay?
I need you to help me, not look at the ingredients. So basically, guys, what's happening right now is putting some milk in there. What this will be for, like I said earlier, it will be for the cheese sauce.
Does any kind of milk count?
So I usually just use whole
Skim
milk.
milk, 2% milk,
Whole milk.
whole milk?
Whole milk.
Does it have to be whole milk?
Whole milk.
Whatever you skim.
Whole milk.
Okay.
Whole milk. Nothing else but whole milk.
measure leen bi soo measure leen bi ma measure bu ma am boobu wàññi naa loxo bi man ko moom laa yóbbu si Chinese yi ñu wàññil ma ko man dinaa la jox suma bos yow nga jël bi.
So that's what's happening right now. I am actually putting the flour in the milk so we can make the base for it, the cheese sauce. So you need to put little by little and then actually just whisk it. And then you will need to add some cheese on there as well. Like, this is a long process. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna get thicker and thicker and thicker. We can actually add some seasoning on this as well. You just have to do this like when no one's doing nothing. It's cool, guys. This is the first YouTube video. Next time I do it, I'll make sure that there's no background noise, or I'm not doing it at a time where no one else is shouting my ear. Get me? Are you ready to go? No, she doesn't have to do it. And then she started telling me what to do with it. I'm like, bro, you better stay with it. You don't want to be loud when you're trying to do it. Especially your mama. I know. Add more cheese to it, and basically this step is just repetitive. Just do it till, like, you know, you got your base sauce and it's, you know, thick. Like I said, to my mac and cheese sauce, I usually add different kinds of cheeses, just so it's more cheesy and you get more flavor in it. For this one, I actually not put piece of cheese. I'm just using Parmesan, Swiss cheese, Gruyere cheese, and cheddar cheese. And those make the base of it. No, be right before the video, because next time I'll just do it when no one's not doing anything. Yeah, definitely when you're yeah. So I need you to stay here. See, I keep on asking my niece to help me. She always walks away. And no, I'm still paying her. Yeah, I have a job, but she thinks that I actually swap. No, you listen. You listen, you stay there. I don't like standing in one place. I hate it. I'm like one of those people who have to do something. Here, this is what you can do for me. We'll put this in the pantry. We'll put this in the pantry. At least I can walk somewhere. See? So this is how you actually make Alfredo. Come here. You want cheese sauce or cheese base? For anything you want to make lasagna, Alfredo, pasta bake, that's how you do it. Then put your cheese in it. Bit more coffee. No, it's right there. It's right there. Whole milk. There you go. And you got your cheese here. I add some more in there just to mix it a little bit more. Well, I'm gonna put this on real low. Olive oil in it, again for taste. A little bit of pepper. And salt. Again, you can use seasoned salt or the normal salt, whichever one works best for you. So at this point, my cheese sauce is pretty much done. And my meat for the bake is done. So what I'm going to do now is actually get to boiling the pasta and then put everything in the oven. So this is the cheese sauce. And this is our meat, yeah?
So guys, basically now we have this cheese sauce that is ready. what I'm gonna do is come ahead and put the pasta in it. Mix it up. Can you get the rest of the pasta, please? It's in. Actually, it's in there.
My job is not supposed to be doing that.
You're not even helping me.
I am helping you.
You keep on
Listen,
playing around.
I'm getting comfortable with the cameras, okay?
You hear that? How is this girl even talking to me like this? Me and her gonna fight, you know?
Okay.
So guys, I've put the pasta in it. Sana, come here.
I'm right here.
Come here, let them see. Let them see. So you see, the cheese sauce that you previously had there is now mixed with this pasta. What I will now do is add the turkey to it. You can stay there where you are, Sana. They will see it's there.
Okay.
She's getting angry because I'm telling her what to do. I'm my uncle anyway, so she's feeling bad.
Okay.
Now that we in here, mix everything up. Everything. Nice, nice, nice. Get it nicely mixed in there. What I will now do as well is actually add some more cheese to it. But I'm not going to do that directly into it. What I'm going to do is that grab one of these over here, put the pasta in there, and then after I put it in there, I'll put more cheese in there and then top it off with some breadcrumbs. Okay. Stop the video, man. Now you can, video. Just put it. Alright guys, so I've just now got finished cooking the turkey pasta bake. I've been running around all day, you know, buying the food, cooking it, and now I'm done. I actually haven't even tried the food or anything just because I'm fasting. It's like 20 minutes left till I can cut my fast, but basically what I'll do is, you know, just go drop this food off. Just leave it.
It's gonna fall.
Position it well. You can stop it now. I just needed them to see like closing one of them. Alright, so basically all I'm doing now is I've packed all the pasta bake. Each one of them will come with a Capri Sun and a water. So basically this is just the care packages. I'm just gonna be driving around and just, you know, if I see someone that's hungry, I'll give it to them. Next week I'm just gonna be going to this location I usually see people at, and I'll just do the charity over there. Nope.